And ladies and gentlemen, we're connecting on board today to support the children of Syria. Over 5 million children's lives have been devastated as a result of the conflict in Syria. Millions of children have lost their homes and their childhoods, and many are suffering from dehydration and disease after their long journeys out of Syria. UNICEF, our long-standing partner, is on the ground in Syria and the surrounding countries, and they are working around the clock to provide children with emergency food, water and shelter. Any contribution, big or small, will make a huge difference, and on behalf of the children you are helping, thank you. Also on behalf of the crew today, we would thank you in advance for your generosity. And if you would like to make any of your donations, you can hand it to the crew as you're disembarking the aircraft. Once again, we'd like to thank you. Are making a final approach into Cork. I would ask you to make one final check, but your seatbelts are securely fastened. Please now know the nearest emergency exit to you, bearing in mind it may be behind you. welcome to Cork. The local time is just coming up for 3:10 in the afternoon. For your continued safety, I would ask you to please remain seated until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Remember to check the overhead bins. The seat box in front of you for any of your personal belongings that you may have used throughout the flight, and also be very careful in opening the overhead bins as items may become displaced, following causing injury to you or to a fellow guest. Security personnel here may require that you some form of identification with you for inspection. Recommend that you have your passport ready. Also, don't forget to check out our website aerlingus.com for the best deals on flights, hotel accommodation and car hire. You can now also order your pre-order deals online also. So on behalf of your captain and the rest of the crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been a pleasure having you aboard. We do look forward to welcoming you aboard another Aer Lingus service in the very near future. Good morning, good Cork, for National Lingus and News, long as Thank you and have a safe onward journey.